How long have you been here for?
Since like 1:30 p.m. yesterday.
Since 5 p.m. yesterday.
Monday, 10 o'clock.
In the morning?
Yeah, in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning.
I don't care if I get anything else as long as I get that leather jacket.
There are a couple beaded items which I think are going to be like the hot ticket items.
I want the sweater. I want the shirts. The jumpsuit. I want all the all that, bro. Make sure you get all that.
That's your suitcase right there?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with your suitcase when you get in there?
Fill it up.
To resell it.
You're not keeping it?
Nope.
So you're a hustler. You're working right here.
So my budget was 6, and then my friend keeps talking me into more and more clothes, but I'm trying to stick to 6 because
100?
yes.
I got like 500. I don't want to spend all that, but yeah, just in case.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you guys can enter in now, right?
Really vicious. There was shoving and pushing, and it wasn't anybody fighting necessarily with each other, but everything was in such a tight space.
Chaos. You just run in, grab whatever you can. Everybody just ran up the escalator.
It was so hectic, just mad dashes for things.
The blazers, insane. Everyone went straight to the blazers. I don't even think I saw what they look like.
Did you get everything you wanted?
No, actually I did not, but I got most of the pieces, so I can't really complain.
I only found 2 things that were in my size. One of them I don't even like.
I think this was $4.99. So that was probably my most expensive and probably the one I was most indecisive of.
Blazer that Kendall Jenner wore, the rope sandals, those are signature Balmain.
Thank you. And how much money did you spend?
Way too much. 900. I'm trying to stick to 6 because
100?
yes. Way over my budget, but I'll figure it out.